Morning, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Had a request from someone on my YouTube who wanted to know how to prune a rose as we get into spring. So just thought I'd do a quick video to show you. That's the rose in question that I'm going to do. It's a David Austin rose, Lady Gardener. Had a bit of a prune back in the autumn, so in the autumn all we're doing is we're just doing the basics. So remove your dead, diseased, damaged wood, crossing stems and cutting it down by about a third to a half, which just reduces the amount of windrock you're going to get over the winter period. Now we're getting into spring and we are the 2nd of March. Getting into spring, you can see that it's starting to produce a bit of growth, although that is early because we've had quite a mild winter. But essentially we now want to do the spring pruning. So what do we mean by spring pruning? Well, essentially you'll be again checking for any dead, diseased, damaged wood. Also add that a bit of winter dieback to the equation, so removing any winter dieback, and you're looking also to maintain your open spacing. Additionally to that, you want to reduce the height, because if you leave the plant as a starting from that to that, which is about 2 foot in height, then all that's going to happen is year on year the rose is going to get taller and taller, with the flowers being right at the top, less undergrowth, and it will look a little bit untidy and get more unruly and more woody. So how do you rectify that? Well, essentially what you want to be looking for is to cut back so that you end up with growth will be starting at about a foot to 15 inches above ground level, or foot to 18 inches. Cut it to an outward facing bud. That is where a leaf joint or bud is facing away from the center of the plant, and essentially that is it. So you'll be removing some of these awkward top sections, and that will just mean that you'll get a nice strong plant that will get away nicely, reduced overcrowding through the center, which is what you want, and producing growth and flowers at a lower point. So let me just prune the rest of that and show you once it's done. Well, that didn't take very long. You can see it's pruned right back, and actually that's a very good way to rejuvenate your roses as well. So nice good hard prune back in the springtime, and then the roses will grow away quite happily, and you can see that you'll then get all these nice fresh buds taking over, produce a nice strong plant that hopefully won't need staking too much. And that's it, job done. So thanks for watching the video, hope you found it interesting. Any questions, send them over to me, do my best to answer them for you. If you do like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And yeah, whilst it's, well, holding off raining, although it's in the air, get out there, enjoy your garden, and we're now in spring, so have fun. See you soon. Bye for now.